website is very similar to what Avyad has presented. The website also turns text into images. So whatever prompt you put, you get an image accordingly. So this is one image that I generated using the ideogram. It is a recent launch in the year 2023, and it is being launched by the former Google members. And so the distinctive feature of this AI is, so when you put a text that you want this text into your image, it particularly gives you that text into the image. Like how I have written old is gold on the blackboard. So I asked the AI to do that for me. There are a lot of websites that create images out of text, but this is one issue that all of them think that either their font is not correct, either there's a spelling mistake. So ideogram doesn't do that. Okay, so these are the few features of ideogram. Text to image generation. As I said, whatever text you put on the prompt, it will actually give that image, it will actually give that statement on the image. So this is one example, and I tried to create a graduation celebration for BA students throwing caps in the air. Thank you. So I also included PGDC college class 25-27. So this was just to show you how the app or the website works. Another feature is artistic styles. So when you give the prompt, it gives you options to select whether you want it in anime, you want it in like a cartoon, or you want it realistic. So these are the options that we get. Magic prompt feature is a little distinctive and very special feature. So whenever you put a prompt on the AI redefines the prompt for you. So it will add things on its own and try to give you an image to suit you, to cater to your needs. So there is also an example. So the first image is where I put the prompt. The second image is where the prompt given to me by the AI. So this is the magic prompt feature. It has automatically added the things to assume. When you give the prompt, you get 4 options. The images, you get these 4 images. The last image is where you select one image, and you can also edit the image later. You can also edit the image. So these are the few features. Okay, I particularly wanted to show this slide because it has advantages and limitations. If you see the first image, this is the image that I exactly wanted. So I wanted it to write ideogram as a free text to image generation website. So this it does very fine in a nice way. This second image is when I was trying to create a worksheet for our community service. But because my prompt was not apt and to the point, as you can see, there are a lot of spelling mistakes like the Gangas, the river, and it is not arranged nicely. So all I'm trying to say is, if the prompt is nice, then only you'll get an image. Otherwise, there will be a lot of problems with the image. And Ansari sir wants me to practically show you how to work with the website, so I'm going to do that. I'm using your ID.
And it's not paid.
This is what the home page looks like. So all these images that we see here, these images are being created by somebody else. So for example, if I go on this first image, I know who's created it over here. I can also edit the image for myself. This is the prompt, and then this is the magic prompt. So you can actually take somebody else's image, and if you wish to edit it further, you can also do that. before putting the prompt, there is this one option that we get, number of images. So if we are not using the paid version as of now, we are using the free version. So when you use the free version, you only get 12 credits. There's only 12 times that you can create image or edit an image. And you get 4 images at one time. You can also select the model that you wish to use, whether it is the most advanced one or whether you want to use the advanced one. This is the layout that you want to use, whether you want your image to be portrait, landscape, the ratios. These are the styles that I was talking about earlier. So you can select from these styles, doodle or vintage or whatever caters to your needs. I'll do that soon. Okay. Let's assume. Can anybody help me with the prompt? So this is how it looks like. I can also change the style. For example, let's say I'll try changing the style. So this is what the AI gave me when I tried changing the style. If I want to put a reference image, I'll need the paid version. I can put a reference image, and accordingly, the AI will give me that image, but it is a feature of a paid version. It is a fake image. I have not put any reference. So when I put the prompt, this is the magic prompt that the AI assumed I was the picture I want. So it will edit the image accordingly. Also, you can actually download the images within seconds. It doesn't take too long. As you see, as soon as I enter the prompt, I got the image like within 4 to 5 seconds. So this is the specialty of this AI.
Disha, now write last two language.
Like what?
Last two language.
So is this the image you're talking about?
Students playing cricket in the ground. Like the because you have to report Congress parties. You have to report Congress parties. Students playing Congress parties. Where is this school and you get any idea?
Yes. Powai. It's on.
Where is school is?
Yeah. That is one in PS.
Where road the pencil not in the
Sorry.
CST.
I think
These are the road people again. Right pencil. आगे उसको pencil.
Center one. पीछे kid over there. इनके पैर पीछे है. This one. What do you know?
AI can also
Yeah.
रियलिटी में दिखेगा तो समझिएगा सबसे
इसका magic
समझते हैं तो पूरा टर्न नहीं होता यार.
पेंसिल रोड पेंसिल रोड मुंबई पेंसिल रोड की अलग
you can see here it is written 6. So till now I think I have tried to create so many images and I have only 6 credits left. So after your 12 credits are done, you won't be able to create any images. Up till a week, then you can do that again.
These credits are based on the image generated or
The edits,
from people.
also the edits. When you edit one image twice, it is counted in 2 times, not one.
Oh, so now we have created like almost 4 prompts we have done, and each prompt has 4 images. So that also
Left.
So now only I have 2 credits left on this account. I give you 5.
चलो आपका खत्म हो गया
ये लास्ट आपने बोला और निकाल के लेना है।
वो भी करो वरना क्लास में तो खत्म
I think you can see a Bombay Scottish School, though it is not visible entirely, but the AI did try. So this is ideogram. Any questions? Sir, anything else? So as we also, there was a problem with the image that we generated right now. So there is not 100% accuracy, but it is still in the making. And maybe the paid version is better. You get more than 4 images at once. There are no limitations. The image generation is actually faster in the paid version. I'm not sure about the pricing plans, but I'm assuming it's high. So this is ideogram. Thank you.
स्कूल में जब पढ़ाने जाओगे ऐसी रहेगा हाँ ऐसी अलग है
Hello friends, good afternoon all. I am going to present AIPRM ChatGPT. Why I have choose this ChatGPT because I have done with this work for my dissertation in my masters. Have you heard this AIPRM before? This is the same like Kushi has explained about ChatGPT. The same but little different version which I will show. Like this is powered by AI ChatGPT for students and all the profession. Basically, this is for SEO and marketing, business, and all the strategies who are engaged in business and all that thing. These are helpful for the student also to day-to-day task, whatever the thing is that. What I done is that research for the API style and all the things. We can find lots of papers in this. What is AIPRM? Stand for
बाबा क्या बोल रहे हो AIPRM
Sir, wrong. Yes.
बताओ ना ऑडियंस को
It's a mistake by me. It's ARPRM, stand for AI Prompt Respiratory Management. In science, respiratory system all runs. What we can do over here in why I have choose this ARPRM. Like we can manually like what we do in if we are taking a new phone, we are adjusting with the settings and all that thing. We can do by manually for ourselves. Like one is a public and one is a private. For a public, we can use everyone. Everyone can use. For private thing, we can use manually. The things which are not running now, they are for due to the technical reason of the show. The prompts, there are more than 2,500 prompts are there. What the basic failure or basic things students are failing. They are not ready to get a prompt, actual prompt. The one student from senior student has shown that we can't type what prompt we want. But over here we get lots of 2,500 prompts are there. With the help of that we can get, like if my topic is science center, I can get like 2,500 topics related to the science center. It will help me for further. Now I will talk about the key features. Prompt library. What I was saying, like the template, more than 2,500 template. More than that also, over categories like it is used like SEO, writing, material, education, researcher work, all that things. User can choose from to specific tasks. Like specific tasks, you can do many things. I would like the things like what Kushi has done. Like he has done like 3 files we can do, upload voice mode, image mode and file mode. The same thing we can do, like create an image and upload, and we can I have done one work with Sony. She was wanting the file of prayer. I have typed over in this April and get that file. So it was been very helpful. Prompt library I have explained now. I will explain the custom prompt creation. The custom prompt creation we can create by own itself. Like whatever, like we are like if you are doing a research work, so you can select as a research. If you are doing as you are student or you are teacher, you can select that much, or you can select whatever you want according to the profession. The community, what community has helped, whatever the prompts, whoever has research has been published, that research prompt will directly automatically be generated over here. What is the best thing about this? Like the one click prompt we will get, like whatever the if I search for the science center, it will give many topic related to the science center. It is the best thing of this. Like it is no need to copy, it will directly give a manually. It will categorize prompt and organize category, like will topic wise, easily prompt relevant to need, relevant to the topic. What I have said, like it is a private and public. You can directly search by private and public, like keeping personal and private. User dashboard. It is very useful and user friendly to whoever new user is there who can use easily. Benefit to student. It will benefit to student learning a new language, want a customized paragraph, paraphrasing, all that thing we can do. The main thing and limitation of and drawback I got from this is it's an extension. We can't run like a app or like a browser website. It will run only on extension. We can run from ChatGPT to get extension from that. It is limited feature by it's having a paid version also. Privacy, like it is using for third party. That's why the privacy reasons take over here. Like we can't like privacy is all like personal reason. We can't upload personal, like sir was asking about that pictures, like is it our student or what kind of privacy get emerge over there. The same things, this is a third party, that's why we can't upload. It's upon you. If you are used, you can upload. Chat, this AIPRM helps in study also. If you are getting stuck with the topic, you are not getting the proper structure of writing. If you are writing an answer, if you are writing some topic, you are stuck. It will help you in this homework and all that things. What I have spoken about the language learning, you can learn language. The most important thing is it's done the brainstorming thing, like it helps to create a new idea which we can emerge. Like if like sir is from the like maths field, if sir wants any new idea about like new formula or new things, we can search that same, just typing like 2 plus 2 is equal to 4, what other than can do, like other formula can be created. It will help. Conclusion, last part I will talk about, like the whole scenario I love, like it's having too much of prompts and template which will help a student to beneficial for all the things, like upcoming like template for making PPT and all that thing. This PPT is done on Canva. Thank you. Any questions?
Mama, where is the practical but who's next?
Practical play. Wait. See, you can see a multiple prompts are there. Like it's for SEO, main is for the businessman and SEO, content writing and all that things. There are multiple languages are there. Tone, which tone, like if I select over there like a researcher, it will give a tone about researcher. Writing style, default, poetic and all that things. I will take one example. Like 3 features are there. We can convert, connect, upload a document and connect an app also. Search web is also there. If we are stuck in between, we can search in the Google page and all that things. For study material is also there. And that's all things.
So, Vika, what is the difference between
ChatGPT and this.
AI,
Sir, they are both are similar only. But this AIPRF is bit advanced because we can use manually and as well as prompts are given.
So So it will begin to just type AI PRM text. Automatically.
Yes. So what's your question?
Any other advanced feature of this? as compared to ChatGPT?
Like what I have done, like as extracting features from photos, like images. We can create PPTs also in image. If I write a topic on school related whatever topic, it will create PPT. It will give a structure, all that things.
It is almost similar to ChatGPT.
ChatGPT.
Anything like paid version, unpaid version.
Yeah, paid version and unpaid version is
Both are there.
yeah, but paid version is bit advanced. This is unpaid.
Any question from the audience side? Because audience is sleeping. They are not bothered. उनको सब आता है. इसने इस सब में MBA किया हुआ है.
Sir, actually, I have to answer your question. What is the difference between ChatGPT and this app? Now, sir, ChatGPT is where we just feed the data, the first-hand information. Now, in this, what I have understood from this, in this particular app, you have templates ready. If suppose now that particular thing you need to in ChatGPT, you need to go in, type, or maybe you need to voice, find out the data, and then you take it somewhere else, extract this data, and then you present it somewhere. Now over here, it is already been stored. It is a second hand. This particular app works first hand also, as well as second hand information, availability of second hand information also. So this why, what he is trying to say is, this app is better than ChatGPT in a sense, in an advanced version, like it is ready, templates are available. If suppose I am a teacher and I want a certain things, but I don't have time. Suppose there are many other pressures are there on me, so I can go where similar slides available. That is second hand. But if I am a CEO or as he said, in a corporate world, and I want a particular data to present it, so the ChatGPT is only what we type we get it. Over here, we get everything, but the other research work also. So by then we can upload, मतलब क्या उनका
We
लेकिन
need to explore it.
yeah.
चलो next. But the other teacher is going to come and do first year class. ठीक है? Those who is presenting need to prepare a proper report and submit it with a soft copy in the drive. Where you will get the drives from? Contact me.
I can transfer to
So first we need to चलो हाँ आप स्टार्ट करो तब